guys, so today we are collabing with Dossier. They have luxury scents that are inspired by iconic fragrances. So you get to experience the luxury without the premium price. The packaging was nice and neat. When you first open up the box, you have this little card with the information on the perfume that you've chosen. And the bottles are so sleek and cute. So when I went on the website, I made sure I didn't make sure. I saw on there that they recommended mixing your fragrances. And I've been seeing a lot of people mix their fragrances to get like a better scent. So they recommended these two together to be paired together. And I like that they did have that recommendation on there for you, because I was like, how do you mix fragrances? Like, I don't know. I'm seeing everybody like, ooh, this, I'm gonna put this on and this on. And I'm like, how do you know what goes with what? So I do like that they do recommend scents that are good paired together. So these are the two that I got. So this is the Gourmand White Flowers, and this one is based off of Victor Roth Flower Bomb. So we're gonna see how this one smells. Oh my God. Oh my God. This smells great. Oh my God. Let me see the other one. I'm gonna put it over on this side. Amber Vanilla. Honey. These, oh, I did good. Oh, I picked good. Okay, so we're gonna see how they smell together. So I guess since it's already on this arm, I'm just gonna add the amber vanilla over here. I was about to spray me directly in the face. Okay. They finna be turning like, ooh, who's that? Girl, you smell good. All right, so I couldn't leave y'all hanging. I do have y'all a discount code if you want to head over to Dossier and purchase any of their items. I highly recommend these two fragrances since I've smelled them and I love them, and I'm excited about wearing them. So my discount code will be TheRaeSymone10, and you will get 10% off on your order. And Dossier also has a welcome offer that gives you 20% off, so you can get a total of 30% off on your first purchase. You can't beat that. And these are inspired by very luxury designer perfumes, so trust me, it's a deal, okay? And not only that, they do have a new payment method that gives you store credits. Every time you purchase on there, they'll give you $10 reward in store credit. And it's gonna build up, and you can use that store credit as a payment method at your checkout on future orders. So yes, Dossier is helping us save our coins. So I'm gonna leave the links and all the information down in the description box, so make sure you check it out. And I'm gonna go ahead and get into this tutorial. If you wanna see how I got these beautiful curls, just keep on watching. All right, so you're gonna take your wand, and you're gonna take a medium section, and you're going to wrap it around your wand. And the key to these curls is that we're going to pin them up. Once you hold it for a little while, you're going to go ahead and slide it off of the wand, and then you'll take 2 clips, depending on the size of the clips, and pin it. I'm going to show a couple more and then I'll skip ahead. I don't want to bore you too much, but I will pop in and out just to say a couple of tips that I did figure out along the way. So I did notice that I was pinning upwards, but it actually was better if I pinned at the top. As you can see here, it did stay a lot better. So clipping from the top of the curl instead of the bottom will make a difference as the clips hold. And if you manage to not catch the curl in your hand, that's okay. You can do like I'm doing here and just go ahead and wrap the curl around the clip. I recommend these clips out of all the clips that I use. They did hold the curls best. When you take the curls out, you just want to fluff them, separate them, and put them in motion so you can get that nice wave effect. If you tug on the curls, it does make it get fuller and thicker and fluffier. And I'm just going to do a quick and easy install with my liquid gel, and then we'll see the final results. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how I get my wine curls, get them bouncy and lasting long. Don't forget to check the description box down below for the Dossier information so you can purchase your own perfumes. It's like the best of both worlds. Like, you're smelling good, you can save your coins, and you also get to experience kind of the designer luxury perfumes. So yeah, make sure you check that description box down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.